you'll be transported by the classical style and three-tier design of the Ravenna Italian fountain. Water cascades down across each level, creating calming, splashing sounds and a dramatic look. Constructed from lightweight resin, this attractive design comes in a rich rust finish. Try placing it in a courtyard or on an outdoor patio. This fountain also looks great nestled among the greenery of your garden. Just plug the included pump into a standard wall outlet and enjoy the Ravenna Italian fountain.